In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix D drive not showing on computer for Windows 11 and 10. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, if any of your drives, whether it's internal or external, they're not showing up, that can be very annoying. So what we want to go ahead and do is on your Windows icon, go ahead and right click it. And you're going to see disk management as one of the options. It's going to open up this right here. Now, all you're going to basically see is any of your different drives right here. But you might also see an unallocated space. If it's unallocated, that could be why it's not actually showing up in your list PC section within your file explorer as mine are right now. So what you want to go ahead and do if any of these drives aren't showing or anything is if there is any allocated space, all you want to do is right click on it. And then you want to basically either extend the volume or you want to make sure that whatever drive you're trying to go ahead and find has a letter on it. If it doesn't have a letter, it needs one. So you can just go ahead and press change and you want to assign a letter to it and then it should work for you. And yeah, once you go ahead and do that, that's it. You should be good to go. And then you should see your drives basically appear within the disk PC section. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.